In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Microsoft Edge your default browser. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Edge. You can do this by locating the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. The icon looks like a blue wave. Once you click it, the browser will launch and you'll see the familiar homepage. This is where you can access the internet and all its resources. It is important to ensure you have the latest version of Edge for the best experience. If you haven't used Edge recently, you may notice updates or changes to the interface. This step sets the foundation for our next actions, so make sure you are ready to proceed. Next, look to the top right corner of the Edge window. You will see three dots arranged vertically. This is the menu icon, often called the More menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. The menu contains a variety of features, including history, downloads, and settings. Accessing this menu allows you to navigate further into the browser's settings, which is essential for customizing your experience. Once you click this icon, you will be ready to select the next option. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This option is usually towards the bottom of the menu. Clicking on it will take you to a new page dedicated to the settings of Microsoft Edge. Here, you can adjust numerous preferences, including privacy settings, appearance, and more. This page is your control center for Edge, allowing you to optimize your browsing experience according to your needs. The settings area can feel vast, but don't worry, we are focusing on one specific part today. Now, once you're in the settings page, look for the default browser section. This is usually found on the left sidebar. Click on it to view options specifically related to setting Edge as your default browser. This section is crucial because it helps you define which browser opens when you click on links or web content outside of Edge. Ensuring that Microsoft Edge is set as your default browser will streamline your browsing experience. You will feel more in control of your web interactions. Next up, locate the button that says Make Default. Clicking this button is an important step. When you click it, a prompt will appear, guiding you through the process of setting Edge as your default. This action not only simplifies your browsing but also ensures that links open in the browser you prefer. It's a small step that makes a big difference in how you interact with web content. Once you click this button, you'll see the options unfold. At this point, Windows settings will open automatically. This is where more detailed options appear regarding your default applications. You will see a list of applications and their current default settings. Look for the web browser section, where you can confirm or select Microsoft Edge. This step is important because it directly impacts how your system handles web links. Remember, setting Edge as your default browser means you will always have your preferred browser ready to go. After you confirm that Microsoft Edge is set as the default browser, you can close the Windows settings window. You will see a confirmation or indicator that the changes have been made. This reassures you that everything is set correctly. Now, whenever you click a link or open a web page, Microsoft Edge will be your go-to browser. You have successfully completed the process. Enjoy a seamless browsing experience with Microsoft Edge as your default. Like into Pikachu, you Pikachu, you